with my under 12 teams and other teams while we have this pandemic going. So just an example, okay? This is what we're going to do. We're going to look at match situations and analyze them by discussing all options. So we're going to take a situation and we're going to look at affordances. Obviously, I don't speak like that to players, but in terms of, in context of what is being discussed here right now. Okay. You are the person with the ball, which is, if you look at, yeah. You are the person with the ball. Right now, these are all the possible options that you have. And I've also marked out the possible spaces. Of course, there is a space beyond E on the right side where Dani Alves is, but I'm not marked that. But look at all these. How many players do you see? What space are you going to pass in? Do you want to pass it into space? Do you want to pass it into directly into the player? Okay. And also take a note of what the time says on the screen. It says 32 minutes, 58 seconds. So just quickly at the top of your head, what would you guys do? Denzing, what would you do?
Yeah, I'm just looking at the picture. Yeah, I think maybe I'll go for the space S1 or the one at S4.
S1 or S4?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, S3, I think the defense is set
okay.
already. So S1, S4
so you
will
might
be a
just part it
safe.
S1 or S1.
Yeah.
Okay. Tarun, what would you do?
As far I know, the Iniesta is receiving the ball from A, I guess. So if I were there, I will switch to F or C, maybe a penetration pass to C or an switch side pass to F. So because we have so many teammates here, so we have totally 6 players on Iniesta's right side. So if I play to F, we have C, D, and E. Or if I play to C, and we can combine with Messi and something.
Superb. So when you pass to F and C, have you also thought of what happens after F gets it or C gets it?
Yes, if C gets, he can combine with Messi, and we have David Villa here. If I pass to F, he can again combine with D or E. We have so much support from our teammates here.
Superb. Both of you, superb. Okay. So this was at the time 32 minutes, 58 seconds into the game. I think this is Iniesta who has the ball. And there's Javi over here, which is number 6F. Okay. Just remember your answers. Okay. One second. Sorry. My mouse. Okay. 32 minutes, 59. So at this point, you already see the player with the ball. He's ready to kick the ball. Now, would you guys want to change your answer? Anyone? Again, Denzing can go first.
Yeah, I think seeing the back lift, I think he might go for the longer option S3.
Pass to C?
To E. E is an option, and also if he's maybe breaking lines with C or B.
So over here,
yeah, or the longer.
Here.
Yeah, but I think I see an breaking the line pass here, maybe a fake pass between two players.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Interesting. Tarun?
I'll go with E. I'll go with E.
Change your answer?
Yes, I'm going with E because I'm seeing my teammate making a forward run into a space. so which is near the goal. Maybe even he can make an attempt. So I'll go with E.
So I'm sorry, where would you pass?
S3.
S3. Okay. Probably somewhere here,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
And
in
you're
part of
saying
my
that.
team.
Mhm. See, what would you say?
In path of my teammate, I can see him making a run into S3.
Okay. There's something you said about E also, the player E.
Yes, he is making a run into the space. So I will pass to him because even if he receives, he is near to the goal. He may not score, but he can get a clear attempt.
Superb. Brilliant, guys. Okay. Uh, let's just see what happened. Okay.
في متوسط انيستا والكرة الرايحة الفاس المراوغ جول
So, Tarun, you were right
انيستا
as to what happens.
الفاس المراوغ جول
Okay.